I have been trying to teach everyone how to talk right in my videos, but sometimes English speakers become dumbfounded when I speak our common language. For example, I was talking about the possibility of juror nullification in one of Trump's criminal trials, and the listener said to me, "What did you just say?" The correct pronunciation of juror is to say juror, G-E-R, and then pause to catch your breath, and then mutter slurred it some, which is important just to get it right. Yesterday, a New York judge, Robert Reed, ordered Trump to pay $392,638.29 in attorney's fees incurred by the New York Times and three of its reporters in defending against a frivolous lawsuit brought by Trump. The judge had dismissed Trump's case for failure to state a claim in May 2023 and ordered Trump to pay the defendants' attorney's fees. The defendants had to document their cost, which they did, and the order was issued yesterday, set the amount. I believe it was posted at the court's website earlier today. Trump has a long history of using the courts to bludgeon and intimidate those who criticize him. A summary of those actions as of 2016 can be found in an American Bar Association article titled "Donald J. Trump is a Libel Bully and Also a Libel Loser," written by Susan E. Seeger, S-E-A-G-E-R. The New York Times reporters received Donald's tax return information from 1995 and wrote an article published on October 1st, 2016 that disclosed that the self-proclaimed genius businessman reported a $916 million loss on his 1995 tax return. The authors noted that the loss was, quote, derived from the financial wreckage she left behind in the early 1990s through mismanagement of three Atlantic City casinos, his ill-fated foray into the airline business, and his ill-timed purchase of the Plaza Hotel in Manhattan, end quote. A more detailed article was published in September 2020, September 27th, that was titled, quote, "Long Concealed Records Show Trump's Chronic Losses in Years of Tax Avoidance," end quote. I believe those records were furnished to the New York Times by Trump's niece, Mary Trump. The article was extremely detailed and just blew massive holes in Trump's self-created image of being a genius businessman. Trump did inherit a great deal of money from Daddy Trump, and the amount was disclosed in that article. And he has made a great deal of money, not through operating businesses, but from licensing his name to others who assume business risk, endorsements, and in the Apprentice TV series. All the amounts he receives for licenses, his name, and for endorsements is predicated on people believing the myth of Donald Trump as a genius businessman. The Times article from 2020 pointed out that Trump said in a public disclosure forum that he had made $434.9 million in 2018, but the tax record from the year shows $47.4 million in losses. In Trump world, loss means profit. Needless to say, Donald was upset that this kind of tax information was disclosed since it was incompatible with his self-created image that he has promoted since first publishing The Art of the Deal book that was ghostwritten by Tony Schwartz, who called that book a work of fiction and has apologized for putting lipstick on a pig.